Hello dear students, today we are going to learn another new topic in grammar that is called as conjunctions. Conjunctions are very easy to remember and you just have to keep in mind a train, a bogie which is attached to each other. So same as with the conjunctions. These words help to attach to sentences and then it becomes a sentence with the use of conjunctions. You can see it in the next picture. How these words help attach. Superman felt ill. He still went out to save the world. So these are two sentences, but they are joined together with the word but. So Superman felt ill, but he still went out to save the world. Next, I was tired. I took a nap. These are two sentences. We can join it. I was tired, so I took a nap. I hope this is clear. Conjunctions are words that join words or groups of words, that is sentences, right? So the words are and, yet, for, after, until, or, nor, because, once, who, but, so, when, while, so that. We use conjunctions to make our sentences longer. Try not to use and too often. So you can use different words instead of using and again and again. Now, conjunctions word and the meaning when it is used okay. First one is the word and adds information or one thing to another. Then comes but contradicts, means it gives a different idea by what is said in the initial one, or shows something unexpected. That is the meaning of but. Next is or. It offers a choice. You can do this or this. Next comes so. Means a result, shows cause and effect. The one next is because. Means a reason, shows cause and effect. You can check it out. Because and so are quite similar. Okay. In the first one it shows a result. In the second one it shows a reason. As with practice you can do it. Now here we'll begin to write it. Write the date, write conjunctions, then copy this. There are three kinds of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating and correlative conjunctions. So I'll be explaining you the three different types of conjunctions in the upcoming video. Now you have to copy this. After you finish this, we'll go to the first one. Coordinating conjunctions. You will write number 1, then write this. Coordinating conjunctions are and, or, but, nor, as, for, so. When they are used to connect two independent clauses, means sentences, together, they should be accompanied by a comma which comes before the coordinating conjunction. So, this is what you have to keep in mind. Which are the coordinating conjunctions? You can see it right here. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. How to keep in mind? Fanboys. Fanboys, fanboys. And before this fanboys, there is a comma. So each of the fanboys need a comma in front of it. This is the way you can keep in mind. I hope this is helpful. So coordinating conjunction means fanboys. I hope you remember the full form of fanboys. Fanboys in a sentence. First one is for. Students have to read their books. For each class is based on what students read. And earning a college degree requires a lot of dedication and it costs a lot of money. Nor. Employers do not want employees who cannot solve problems, nor do they want workers who are lazy. Next, but. Going to school while working at a job is difficult, but the reward will pay off later. Or, students can either buy a textbook or they can rent one from the book rental service. Yet, learning can be very exciting and invigorating, yet it can also be very exhausting. So, studying means more than reading the textbook, so students should take notes while reading. Now the second one, that is subordinating conjunctions. A subordinating conjunction is a word that connects the main clause to the subordinate clause. Main clause is an independent clause that can stand alone by itself as a sentence. In other words, a main clause does not need any additional information to operate as a sentence. So, clause means sentence, as I have told you. So, in subordinating conjunction, the first one is a complete sentence, and the words used are after, although, as if, as long as though, because, before, even if, even though, and so many more. You can just have a look and draw this table into the notebook. After this comes the third one, correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions work in pair to join words and groups of words of equal weight in a sentence. There are many different pairs of correlative conjunctions. This is very easy. Can you see? Both and, either or, neither nor, whether or, not only but also. Examples: the dinner was both delicious and nutritious. I will eat either carrot or peas for dinner. Natalie likes neither milk nor ice cream. Do you care whether we have noodles or rice for dinner? Not only we have cake for dessert but also ice cream. So these are correlative. Two words are used in a pair. So these are the conjunctions which you can see. These are all mixed. No need to copy this. But before this, whatever was told, the definitions and all, you have to copy. And now we'll go to the next one. In English, there are lots of subordinating conjunctions, but most of the common ones, along with few examples of how subordinating conjunctions are used, are as follows. We have just now seen it, but this is the exercise which you have to write. So write exercise number 1, subordinating conjunctions. He is cleverer than I am. You must decide whether you will go by train or by plane. I eat as much as you. Eliot is tall and blonde, whereas his brother is short and has dark hair. She went to the school that my father went to. Now here you have to pay attention. The words which are in bold, you have to underline that. That is the answer. Okay. After this, I copied in my notebook whatever he wrote on the blackboard. The car which I drive is old. Bruce will wear his pink or green sweater, whichever is clean. So this way you have to copy, and after this, the next. Great. Now exercise number 2. How to use correlative conjunctions in sentences. So correlative are two words together, right? She played both hockey and basketball when she was a student. I will eat either carrot or peas for dinner. Natal likes neither milk nor cake. So you can copy this. After you complete this, go to the next one. Do you care whether we have noodles or rice for dinner? Not only will they paint the outside of the house but also the inside. He is such a bad-tempered person that no one can work with him for long. Scarcely had she finished reading when she fell asleep. Now, after this, the third one, exercise number 3, use the following conjunctions to complete the exercise. Okay, then this is the last exercise. You can see here in short the questions are given, but I'll also give you the answer. Dash, he is busy. He spends time with his family. Now, these are all the questions which I have put, and very quickly you will be getting the answers. You can just copy them and then the topic is over. Write the first answer on your own, and here is the answer second for you. If you don't get the answer, you can anytime ask me. She is neither intelligent nor hardworking. Raju will play today if he gets a chance. You can't succeed unless you work hard. We must reach there before anyone else. Sam is either a fool or a stupid. So this is what you have to copy. If you can do it on your own, that is the best thing you can do. Otherwise, the answers are there for you. Next one, as I fell asleep while I was watching TV. He is not only intelligent but also hardworking. Samuel was eating food when the postman arrived. I was very angry. Still, I didn't argue. She was unhappy although she was rich. I like him very much since he is my best friend. I can't believe you until you speak the truth. Leola is as tall as Sweetie. Copy this and then the next one. So these are the three exercises which you have to copy. 15th one, we don't know why Suma failed in the examination. Suresh is clever but proud. I can't attend the meeting because I am suffering from fever. Then the last three, and we are done with the topic. You have to copy it neatly. This is the village where I lived in my childhood. Veda is both kind and humble. You better keep quiet, otherwise, you will be sent outside. So that's all for the day. Best of luck. Write neatly. Keep the three conjunctions in mind, and this will be helpful for you throughout the life. Best of luck. Write neatly and let me know once you're done. See you soon in the next class. Take care.